brought these today. I brought these and then another pair. I just literally have no idea where they are because my studio is a bit of a mess right now. But let's see which ones look better. So we have these. Cute, 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 cute. And then we have these. I honestly think these are cute too. I feel like these ones give me like real. I got my daughter in the back seat. I'm playing Keisha Cole. It's 2000. You know, I got my blinged out phone. You know, yeah. They all really give different vibes. But if I'm being honest, these ones are cute, and these ones were left at the studio. But I feel like these ones go better. You know, these ones are actually really good better. Okay, enough of that. That's the bed. Yeah, and now y'all see why I have to cover it up with my sweater. So yeah, who's ready for a tour now? Let's get into the tour. So I'm gonna show you whatever. I know it probably doesn't matter. But you basically come in, and this is the overview. Now I cannot clean up your room. Leave me alone. Leave me alone about that, okay? I said I'm still getting everything organized. So yeah, I am a mixed media artist, but for a while I was just like doing oil paintings. But it just kind of got like too expensive. Like honestly, I'm just being really honest and trashed. But these are all charcoal. This is of I never finished it. I was looking to it. It was supposed to be MF Doom. Let him down. These are just like, these are literally like a project we had done in school, and you basically just like made faces out of paint splatters, but it was like intentional paint splatters, you know, and we had to do a few of them, and we just never knew how they were gonna come out. And I feel like I like the way this one actually looks pretty dope. And honestly, maybe I can like hang them in here. Yeah, this is just, you know. So yeah, and then everything else that's in this bag is just like some canvas boards so that I can build my own canvas. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. And then like I have this like portfolio of like hella shit in here. So yeah, we're not gonna get into the portfolio, but yeah, that's what we have. And then I have this like, this was actually my lash cart, but I'm gonna use it for art now and just get like a new lash cart and everything. If you guys want to know about my lash journey, I'm definitely still on it, but if you guys want to know about that, let me know. We can talk about it. I have this chair. I found this chair in the studio somewhere, and somebody was like throwing the chair out, and I just took the chair because like, what the fuck? I needed a chair, and it's a rolling chair, and it needs a back. Why would they throw that away? I just have like my tubes of white paint because I feel like I go through white paint so quickly. I have some brushes here, some acrylic paint. These are some oils. Oh yeah, acrylic paint. These are some oils, some more acrylic, and then I don't think I have anything at the bottom. Oh, I do. Some spray paint. I'm still organizing everything as I said. These are my real six. Wait on. My nephew drew this, guys. This is actually not mine. I wish he put a date on it, but he did not. He's an artist just like his auntie, and he's really good. He draws a lot of anime art. And as a supportive TT, yeah, I kept it because I love him. So I've had this mirror since forever. I just really like the embroidery on this side. It's just like, this was like my mirror I always took pictures in high school. I'm doing all that punk ass shit. Go. And we have more paintbrushes here. Paint. And then we have my hippie bag. Again, my hippie bag is literally trash. I don't care. I'm gonna always keep it. What's in here? I think it's paintbrushes. Paintbrushes! Paintbrushes and a bangle. I'm gonna put it on. You guys are seeing I'm definitely a type B personality, and I don't care, okay? Break these off the wall because it's just a reminder to myself, and my father always reminds me to protect my peace. I love it. It makes me feel good. So I have that there. I have my laptop here. I really bring my laptop everywhere. I went to Pizza My Heart earlier. And I have this like box of cut water. Bear with me, I'll do a better studio tour when everything's clean and looks presentable and everything. Let me do a little dance for y'all while I say this, because y'all know me. Oh yeah, so after I'm done filming this video, I'm probably gonna head back home. Just test to make sure my shit's not in slow again. Speaks for itself. But yeah, I love this painting a lot. But yeah, girls been working. I have this one as well. And it's actually still one of my favorite pieces. This is a part of my heart series. I do have like a few other paintings that I just don't have in the studio. They are down in stack, so I don't have here. Look. So yeah, y'all. That's all the painting and some of the videos that I'm working on. Okay, so I have a lot. They are a little bit overpriced. It's kind of crazy, actually. I've seen some like vintage Levi jeans, like literally some like regular like vintage like Levi mom jeans. 120? 120? Huh? You crazy? Are you crazy? Literally? No. But other than that, you know, you go to the sale rack, they usually have some in Sacramento. I got a few. And y'all probably actually might know them. I don't know, you guys probably might already know them, but you know, Freestyle's always gonna be that girl. We have the Good Girl, like kind of like you can literally walk to. It's like a block or two down from Freestyle's. Really, really good. Crossroads. I used to work at Crossroads. That was my spot. Discount on the designer things too. It was amazing. It was amazing working there. But there's always gyms there.